Welcome to Psychic Healing by Swabhi, and I'm here sharing the predictions and guidance for 2025 for Pisces. What sort of energy is coming in for you? So Tarot says it's Knight of Wands, the Fool, Ace of Swords and Three of Swords. Three of Swords actually jumped off the deck automatically. So it's execution driven year, action oriented year, new beginnings as well, and reality check. Let's decode this message in detail. Number one, universe indicates that you've been thinking about taking some courageous steps here, like a dream thing. Could be related to a dream job, business, or a dream relationship. It's time for you to take that courageous step that you've been thinking about. Second, it's going to be new beginning or the path that you are on personally or professionally. You might start something new, or you have already started something as per the energies. Universe is indicating that in the longer run it's going to be very successful. However, the path doesn't seem to be flowery here. It's going to be a very challenging path. Walk and succeed if you have dedication and determination to do something extraordinary in your life. Number three, some reality check, some game changer energy, change directions, new things starting, igniting sort of energy is coming. True colors coming out, can see, that may have received some truths, information, knowledge that might have shook your world. Let's look at this, how this energy could possibly benefit you to move forward. At times when we receive this card, it's just before some phase where you're manifesting about something to move on to the next phase, but people with you might not be ready to move along with you. But end of the day, it keeps the learning of life intact, like finding that silver lining within yourself. It's a card of strength. Happy days are here. When you're able to find forgiveness, you become the master of helping people overcome the same. So what does the Akashic tells you, Pisces? 2025, it's about a woman of higher mind whom you may already know or have yet to meet. Her purpose is to help you move through the entryway to new level of wisdom and understanding. She could be a teacher to you in some way, or maybe, a friend that could develop into a deeper love. This woman could be helpful to you in some project requiring communication. She may be an author, a marketer, or a publisher. If you are a writer, she may be someone who's gonna assist you in publishing the book or whatever you're writing. It could also represent you or a woman in your life getting a position in fields related to communication or academics, such as counseling, teaching, marketing, publishing, etc. It also indicates a phase of deepening understanding and readiness to learn in 2025. It's perfect time for your personal growth and expansive learning, whether it's mind, body, or spirit centered. Open the mysteries that are hidden and stepped through the door of knowledge is what 2025 is telling you. It's also time for you to join your group, your ashram, your tribe, or your sangha, whatever you're gonna call it, like a community sort of a thing that connects you with others like-minded people who have some sort of a same purpose and activity that you do. There are many communities in each person's life, and still more that returned from past lives. So for instance, you have your family, friends, and work associates, but you also have the people with whom you share many creative things in your life, and you'd like to share those things with you. So 2025 also tells you, that sort of an energy is coming in towards you. So be open to be a part of a community where you will be able to be yourself, share the same interest and activity, and take it in a positive direction for your own well-being.